Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making another copycat Olive Garden soup. It's called, some people call it minestrone, or some people say minestrone soup. But anyway, it's a copycat Olive Garden soup, and it's a vegan soup. And one of our subscribers, Daniel and Mark, Danielle, she asked, I believe I said Daniel, but I meant to say Danielle. So Danielle and Mark sent us a Christmas card. It's a very beautiful Christmas card, and a nice little letter with it also. And me and Kevin really enjoyed hearing from them and reading it. It just made our day. And so me and Kevin decided that we would go ahead and make this soup today because it is vegan soup, and I think we're really going to enjoy this soup too. And me and Calvin could use a little less meat in our diet also. And so let me get started on this, and who knows, it may be a trend. We might start making a lot more vegan recipes. So let me get started. And it does have a lot of ingredients and a little bit of chopping, but I think it's going to be well worth it. I'm going to be adding spinach, zucchini, an onion, tomato paste. This right here is kidney beans. I believe I did say tomato paste. This right here is diced tomatoes and catalini beans, garlic. You can use fresh if you want to. And I'm going to be using olive oil, small shell pasta. This right here is vegetable broth. And me and Kevin's never used vegetable broth before, so we're going to be trying this vegetable broth today. I believe I already said zucchini. We're going to have green beans in it, carrots, and our spices is parsley and Italian seasoning. So let me get chopping. Okay, I'm fixing to saute my minestrone vegetables. This is the Olive Garden copycat recipe, and I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. So I'm going to add my onions, and this will be in the description below. I'm going to add my celery. Carrots and zucchini, and I'm going to saute these vegetables for about 5 minutes. And then after they saute for about 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding in my garlic and let it saute for about 30 seconds. Okay, I'm adding a little salt to these vegetables and a little pepper. And at the end, I'll do this again. These vegetables have been sauteing for about 7 minutes. I went ahead and decided to go 2 more minutes with them. And so now I'm going to add my garlic. They really smell good, I can tell you that much right now. This is going to be a good day to eat it too because it's very cold here in Georgia. Okay, now then I'm going to be adding in my tomatoes. My tomato paste. And my vegetable broth. Give this a stir. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my Italian seasoning. Let me bring this up to a simmer before I add the rest of my ingredients. Okay, my soup has come up to a simmer, and so now I'm going to be adding my cannellini beans in. You can use any kind of white bean you want. And now I'm going to be adding in my kidney beans, and these have been washed and drained. And adding in my green beans. And a half a cup of small shell noodles, pasta. So I'm going to give this a good stir. And I'm going to let this cook for about 15 minutes.
Marie, that is really starting to look good now.
Yeah, it really smells good. I hope we don't miss the meat.
Don't think we will.
Looks like it's going to have a lot of flavor to it. All right, my soup has been cooking for 15 minutes, and boy, does it smell good. Look at that color in it.
That looks real good, Marie.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just about ready to serve a supper bowl. I'm going to put this spinach in here, and as soon as it wilts down, we'll be ready. This is going to be a good healthy soup. It usually takes about 2 minutes for this to wilt down good. At this time you could taste it and see if you need any more salt and black pepper in it. But I've already tasted it and I think that ours is good right now. Okay. Let me plate us up a plate of this. Okay, I have my minestrone soup plated up now, and so I'm going to do the taste test. And one of our subscribers was wanting us to make a vegan recipe, and so me and Calvin thought that this copycat Italian garden minestrone soup would be a good one to try, since I've been doing copycat soups this month, and so let me get a taste of it and see how it tastes. It's really good. It's got 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning in it, and if you're not a big fan of Italian seasoning, you might only want to put 1 tablespoon of it in, but I like Italian seasoning, and it's not bothering me at all. But I'll have to let Calvin taste of it, and I'll decide if he wants 1 or 2 next time I make it. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great weekend. Bye.